How to do head tracking on After Effects. First, you want to import the video that has the head you want to track. So I'm just going to drag this video, and let's say this is the head I want to track. At the left corner, you can see the option called the tracker. So wait for it. I'm just searching, and here it is. This is the option you want to search for. Click on tracker and click on stabilized motion. Now remember, for first you need to make sure this the layer which has the head needs to be selected. Otherwise all of this is going to be grayed out. So click on it, and then over here you want to choose stabilize motion. Once the motion is stabilized, you will get this thing. Now you can drag your mouse and take it to the place where the head is and make the box big enough where the entirety of the head is centered. Just like this, get the plus and go here, bang. So now this head is in center. Now what I can do is click on track camera, and then it's going to start tracking it. I'm just gonna stop it over here. The reason it shows this is because in this entire video, this head doesn't move. But if this head was moving, the moment I placed the marker and click on track motion or track camera, it would have tracked. So if track camera is not working for you for some reason, just press on track motion. Sometimes this does not work. I don't know why, but this genuinely most of the time works. So make sure you try both of this thing out after the head is aligned, and you should be good to go. The head will be tracked. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.